Welcome to the online classes. Now we are discussing the topic of pressure and thrust. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the basic theory related to the pressure and related theory related to the thrust. Now I am attempting the first question. If we are given a block of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is a block and the dimension is also given. BC is 4 meter, CG is 3 meter, and F and G is 5 meter. These dimensions are given of a block. Now the force is applied on the face of A, B, E, F. A, B, F, E. This is the face. This is the face in which the force is acting 5 kilonewton. We have to determine the pressure on the face A, B, F, E. Determine the pressure. Determine the pressure on face A, B, F, E. So we have to consider a face A, B, F, E. This is the face. This is the face. A, B, F. This is the face. The dimension AB is equal to, what is the value of AB? AB is equal to 4 meter. This is the 4 meter. What is the value of FE? This is the value of FE, and this is equal to 3 meter. And the force is acting. This is the perpendicular, and this is compressive in nature. This is the force. Actually, we have to determine, this is the face and this is the force acting on this. We have to determine the pressure on A, B, F, E. We have generally know the formula for the pressure is equal to force upon area. Force upon area. What is the value of force? Here the force is given 5 kilonewton. 5 kilo means 10 to the power 3. K means 10 to the power 3. 5 kilo Newton divided by area. Which area we have to take in? Surface area of this AB into, because this surface is in rectangular shape, AB into BF. This is called the surface area, and this surface area is 4 into 3, and this is in meter square. Now we have to solve this. And this value 5000 divided by 12 Newton per. If we are solving this is 2500 divided by 6, and also we have to 1250 divided by 3, and if we are solving these values, Newton per meter square. This is the pressure acting on the face of A, B, F, E. This is the pressure acting on face A, B, F, E. And this is equal to 41.3 Newton per meter square, and we can write as Pascal. This is the final answer. We have to remember these formula. Determine the pressure. Again, we are understanding the basic concept. Determine the pressure on the face of ABFE. So first we consider this face. This dimension is 4 meter. This dimension is 3 meter. Force acting on this 5 kilonewton. The pressure is equal to force upon area. This is a kilonewton, to 5 into 10 power 3 Newton upon area of this face is 4 into 3 in the meter square. 5000 upon 10. We have to solve this for this questions, and 41.3 Newton per meter square is the final answer, and this is also written as Pascal. We have to tell in this basic तीन चार चार This is 413 Newton per meter square. 413 Pascal.